Guys, thank you so much for tuning into this video. Today I'm going to show you this easy bun that I use, and I featured the Edgifiher. This is what the Edgifiher looks like. I'm also going to include pictures because I did get the gold and silver one. I really enjoy this product because I like the bristles on the brush, and I think that it really helps to lay your edges down. I used the Lotta Body edge control today. There's lots of edge controls out there, so use the one that you like. I hope this video was easy to follow, very simple. I am filming in a new area, and I'm gonna be filming my life update video because I have been missing for a while, so I hope you guys check that one out too. If you want to see this makeup look, I didn't film it, but I can recreate it for you because I wrote down everything I used. I hope y'all enjoyed this video, and I'll see you some more on this channel.